Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We back with another one. Another episode of the Summer Shred series. I think it's episode 13 now. We're getting shredded, we're getting leaner. Just hit a new low this morning, 155.2. So that's the lowest I've weighed in a while. We are currently eating our pre-workout meal. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. And we're gonna go smash some legs. I'm only training legs once a week still because I'm trying to let my upper body catch up to my lower body. So by dropping the frequency of my legs and upping the frequency of my upper body, I can improve my upper body more. My one leg day this week is going down today. So you know we're gonna smash it. We're gonna eat this. We have chicken and rice. Another thing I wanted to mention, if you guys watched my past video where I was eating like a bodybuilder for a day, I ate like chicken, rice, just basic foods, and I actually felt like really good. So I'm gonna experiment with it further. Like I'm gonna do it for an entire week, probably like 7 days, see how I feel, and yeah, just experimenting with it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Just wanted to fill you guys in on what I'm doing. But yeah, new low, Summer Shred is going as planned. Losing weight slowly, as intended. Before I eat this meal, I'm gonna hop into a physique update for you guys, show you guys how I'm looking, making some solid progress. Let's see it. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Getting shredded. But yo, I'll see you guys at the gym and we're gonna smash some legs. Poo!
Your soul is gone.
And we're back from the gym. As you guys just saw, just made some rice, tilapia, and spinach for my post-workout meal. But now we get the final meal of the day before we head to sleep. It's gonna be a tablespoon of almond butter and some apple slices. Cut it up. Add some cinnamon. Then we weigh out our almond butter. Make sure you weigh this stuff out because it's very calorie dense. And there we have it, apples and almond butter. Final meal. So I thought while I eat this last meal, I will do a Q&A answering your guys' questions on Instagram. Question number 1. Should you train till failure on every exercise? Absolutely not. Mostly you want to avoid going to failure on like big compound lifts, so maybe like don't go to failure on like squat, bench, or deadlift, just because they're very taxing and you could get injured very easily on lifts like that. So I would say don't go to failure on those exercises as often, but most other like isolation movements you can definitely go to failure on a lot more. Obviously, training to failure isn't for everybody. Some people don't like it. Me personally, I like to train to failure. Comes down to the individual, but I think training to failure is a great tool to utilize. So I recommend it to most people that I coach and anyone that asks me for advice. So, should you train to failure on every exercise? No. How many calories do you personally eat a day? Calories right now are around 2,400, doing a 45-minute walk outside in the morning and then 20 minutes total of the incline treadmill. That's where my cardio and calories are at. Next question, how so sexy? Mom and dad. My mom and dad blessed me with the genetics to be sexy. I don't know. I'm probably going to Myrtle this summer. You trying to get a lift in, my guy? Yes, bro. Come lift with your boy. If anyone is trying to lift this summer, fly out to Myrtle Beach. It's beautiful here. Fly out here and we'll get a lift in. Not that many questions. That's it for the questions. Like, you guys never ask questions on Instagram. Whenever I say ask some questions, but then you'll DM me a bunch of questions. Yo, honestly, let's do this. Let's do this. Right now, go drop a question in the comments below and I will do a Q&A of my YouTube comments. So yeah, go comment. If you guys are enjoying the series, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new here, and comment for the algo. Appreciate you guys. All my links are in the description below. Cookbook, supplements, clothing, all that. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the video. Peace!